Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's JASMY video update for Thursday 11th of August, and we're doing a pretty good job here for JASMY. I know it's not any pumps or anything, but that's the thing. That's the thing. It's actually trying to push itself to those levels, and we're still looking pretty good once again. We're back to that level where we left JASMY with. It's not doing pretty much. It's not hitting anything significant, like there's no any big huge movements at the moment, but that's forgivable at the moment, right? So number one, what you want to put a stop loss down here. Okay, so this stop loss should not be taken, and that's going to be 9583. I do recommend that if you start to come down and lower to take that stop loss, then you might actually end up going down. If you don't actually make a wick down there, that's a different story. So your stop loss should be a little bit lower below the wick so that you can avoid the stop loss hunt as well. Now at the moment, what I'm still looking forward for JASMY is that I do think the way that every coin has been pumping, and you never pump for JASMY, this is one of the best buying coin right now. Okay, maybe the coin that is really cheap to enter, and at the moment I do believe that somewhere down the road you're still looking to break for JASMY, you're still looking to come down and retest, and you're still looking to actually shoot to the upper level for JASMY. I do believe that one day down the road you're going to be looking for JASMY to come up at 14274, but it's just that it's taking a little bit of a longer time. Now the question really is at the moment is that, is this bull cross about to happen? We want to see JASMY push to the upside, come back and retest the EMAs, and we're really good to move higher from that point onwards. And that's it for this quick update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.